Obinna!
No. She is there. Let's take the back door. The back door.
Obinna! Obi! Obinna! Obinna! Obinna, open the door! Obi!
Oh yeah, who is knocking? Who wants to break my door? Huh? Oh yeah, Nako.
Mama.
Actually, go. Okay, Vicky. Are you the one knocking?
Yes, I've been knocking since and nobody's opening. I was even calling on Obinna, no response.
How long have you been knocking?
I've been here for a while now, knocking.
You mean this door is locked?
Yes, Mama, it's locked.
Oh, maybe he's sleeping. Hey, don't worry, let me go through the back door and open for you.
It's kind of sleep safe. Please wake him up. I've been calling him since.
Sorry.
My love is supposed to have woken him up.
Obinna. You are here sleeping. Somebody has been knocking on the door.
I did not hear. I've been sleeping. Sorry.
Anyway, let me call her. Okay.
Mama.
I told you should be inside. He's sleeping.
He's sleeping too much.
It's okay.
Come on.
Okay.
I've been knocking now, calling your name since.
Here again. Is that the problem?
Yeah, I think I forgot one of my earrings. It fell off here.
Alright, you can look for it. Just look for it then.
Okay. Thank God. I've seen it.
Alright now.
Are we going now?
Okay.
Mama. Good morning.
Obinna.
Yeah?
You're just waking up.
Yes, Mama. I had a loss last night on my table. That's why.
I don't like it when you joke with your job. You know this is our only source of income in this house.
Mama, I know. Okay? I'm going to take my bath now and rush to work.
Oh? Don't let them give you worry.
They will not.
Because of lateness.
They will not.
Teacher, teach by example.
Mama, they will not.
I've already prepared your breakfast. Obinna. Obinna. Obina! Obina one! Obina! Obina! Obina one! Obina again! Obina again! Oh my body! Obina! Obina! Chineke, somebody help me! Obina!
Hey! Mama! I'm sorry. I just wanted to know if you truly love me. Oh. And also to know what you're going to do if you find me in this kind of situation.
Obina.
I'm sorry.
Obina, you know my health condition. Eh? Do you know you almost gave me a heart attack?
I am sorry, Mama. Please, I won't do it again.
This is not a matter of sorry. Don't try this nonsense with me again. Don't try it with me again. No.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, Mama, I love you so much, okay? You know,
Pico,
hey! Oh God. Sorry, Mama. Mama safe, eh? Your taste by moonlight. What is this? Mama? Oh, you're trying to prank me back? Please get off from there, Mama. Mama, I'm done with the prank. Just get up. Mama? Hey, I won't call anybody for you. Just stand up. Mama? Mama? Hey. Mama? No, this is a joke. Mama, please, I'm not pranking you again now, please. Mama? 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 No, Mama, hey! Mama, please, I'm sorry. I will not do this again, please. Please, if it's a joke, please stop now. Mama! Hey, Mama! Somebody help! Hey, somebody help! Oh! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Miss Oge.
Sir?
Where is Obi?
Sir, he should be on his way coming. I've been trying to reach him, but his number is not going through.
If the Commissioner for Education arrives and Obi is not here to make that presentation, you should tell him he should start dusting his CV and apply to other schools. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir, but I'll keep calling him, sir. He will come.
Sir, maybe I should represent the school. You know, Obina is unreliable sometimes, instead of the school to be embarrassed.
And why are you smiling? Why are you smiling in any of progress?
Nothing, no. You better try to make sure your boyfriend comes down here before he destroys your little perfect image.
And you think they will give you, they will leave it for you to handle, have you?
And I'll actually be happy if they send him packet. Keep calling, he'll pick, eh? Teacher, okay.
Call now, pick your call. Ha!
So you need to tell me you actually pranked your mother. Well, fully know that she is hypertensive.
Dennis, that is so stupid of me. I just wanted to play with my mother. I never knew she would take it to heart.
My guy, you are lucky. She's fine. Some mothers would have sent you straight to your ancestors with that kind of drama.
I know, that's so stupid of me. You say she's well now.
Yeah, relax. She's stable.
Thank you so
By
much.
afternoon, she will be ready to go home. But make sure no more heart-stopping surprises. Okay?
I promise. No more, please. Thank you so much, Dennis. I really appreciate it. Excuse me. Hello? What? Alright. I'm coming to the school right away. Oh shit, I have to
go. Why are you so late?
I'm sorry. What's going on?
Listen, you're already late. You're so late. You're 10 minutes late. Okay, the commissioner is already seated, waiting for you. He's even in a hurry.
My goodness. Please, let's go. But what are the main issues that
No
you
issue
always
for
come?
no.
But which is in your mind? Oh, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, Mr. Binna, you decided to show up late today, knowing that the Commissioner of Education is visiting us.
Sir, please. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, please. I had an emergency, that's why.
Well, you are forgiven.
Oh, thank you, sir.
The Commissioner approved all our school projects.
Whoa! Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations. That calls for celebration.
Yes.
Go back to your classes. After school, come to my office. We'll celebrate properly.
I will, sir. I will. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
My goodness.
This is unbelievable. He's not even getting punished for coming late. If it were to be me, I'll be written up. Principal, this is not fair.
Where's my money? Give me my money. Don't give me my money.
I didn't take your money.
No, don't give me my money. Give me God. Give me my money. No, don't give me my money.
I did not take your money.
No, don't bring my money. No, don't bring my money. Bring my money.
Okay, honestly, I thought that was it for me today. I thought the principal would sack me immediately.
Me too. I was so scared for you.
That's why I had to rush. So, but thank God that the principal didn't even mention it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Even at that, you went too far. That prank was too much. You nearly gave your mom a heart attack.
I know. But then, she's back home. Chizzy, what did I do to you? Why do you hate me this much?
Obina, I don't understand. Are you trying to insult me or what? Eh? So, you're trying to say that I am jobless? That I don't have any other thing to do is to stay and hate on you? Eh, Obina? My problem is, what I don't understand is what you and your girlfriend used on the principal and the rest of the teachers in the school. Eh? Because this is not ordinary at all. If it were to be me, I would have been suspended. But what happened? You got a whine and smiles. You see, let me tell you. You see that juju people are going to? Pray I don't find out. Because if I find out, you trust me, I am going to expose both of you. Nonsense. Why you hate me?
Obi, this lady is becoming unbelievable.
Tell me about that.
Let's go before she reports us to the guards.
Oh, stop. No, but seriously, the hate stinks.
You see,
Like she's oozing of jealousy.
My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. What is love that I ask?
Ew.
Mama.
Oh, Gebeke.
Mama, good afternoon.
I saw you, Bomo. You came back again.
No.
You and this fruit, eh? You and the tea. See the one you brought last time. I have not even finished it. Eh? Watermelon kwa?
Yeah. I want you to eat so that you regain more strength.
Hey! You are spoiling me like this, oh. Eh? You are spoiling me like this. See all this one you brought, I have not finished them. Eh? You're bringing another one.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Assam.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You see, if all my son's friends were like you, by now, I would have been looking like Sissy.
Mama.
Thank you, my child.
Okay.
Welcome,
You're here again.
Yes, so.
You are gradually making my home your second place, have you?
Okay, came back, go see you. See what she brought again.
Ah?
If I don't take care of Mama, who will?
Whoa.
Thank you so much.
She's my mother too.
See, this is the kind of woman I want. This is the kind of woman I want to be now. The one that will be taking care of me. That is what I want to.
Yes, Mama.
I hope you're hearing and you also understand.
I heard you loud and clear. Don't worry. Let me make small money. Just small money. I will take good care of her.
Oh.
Properly.
That money will come.
Amen.
You will make it very soon.
Amen.
Because both of you look so good together.
Amen. I just pray he doesn't make me wait for too long.
Hey,
let him not make me wait until I go grey hair.
I won't.
God forbid.
I won't.
Mm.
I won't.
Naya.
Mama.
I'm coming. I want to go and see my friend.
In this hot sun?
Let sun touch me small. Since I returned from the hospital, you don't allow me to go anywhere. Because I'm Abia.
Okay, Mama.
Hey!
Mama.
See my small wife. Oh.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my darling. How are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
You're looking beautiful. I like this, your dress.
Thank you, ma.
How is your mommy?
She's fine.
Okay, you came to see your sir.
Yes, ma.
He's under the mango tree.
Okay, ma.
Okay,
you're going now.
I want to see someone.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Oh, no.
Good afternoon.
Chinaya. Someone finally remembers her teacher.
Yeah. So I wasn't my food, so...
So tell me, why didn't you come to school today?
Sir, there was a serious problem at home. My brother took my father's money. My father almost shot him.
What?
Don't be smart.
Almost shot him?
I swear.
No, that's so terrible. I mean, there are other ways to handle such matters, not being hostile.
Yes. Everybody was shouting, crying. Even me, I was so scared. That is why I couldn't come to school today.
Okay. It's alright. Okay, copy this in your notes. These are the last two topics we treated today.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, please. I don't want to see you lagging behind.
Okay, sir.
Oh?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Copy it right here.
Yes. Come here. Down.
Sir, what did you say?
No, I'm just admiring your handwriting. Yes, it's nice.
Wow! If it is not the most beautiful girl in Moaba, then the sun itself must be lying today.
Nonso, what is it? Nonso, what do you want from me this time? Eh? Why are you blocking my way?
Must we start with a fight? Must we fight every day? See, Chizzy, I want us to go out. A place where we can talk, drink, maybe chill out. That's all I want. Please.
Nonso, go and chill with your type. I am not going anywhere with you.
See, let me tell you something. I know you might be, you are in a hurry, okay? Just calm down, okay? I have something I know you will like. See, this is 50,000 naira. I just want you to use it, buy whatever you want with it. No strings attached.
Nonso, keep your money. I don't want your money. I don't want anything from you. Nonso, leave me alone. What is it?
Why? Do you know what I went through to get this money? I dodged a bullet for you. All I just needed was just to say thank you and nothing else. Now calm down.
You did what, Nonso?
I dodged a bullet for you.
Nonso, you did whatever you did for yourself and not for me. Nonso, leave me alone. Nonsense.
Come on.
Don't touch me. Ah, wow. Come on, are you not allowing me to rest? Nonsense.
Child. See Bessie, see body, such the waka, where. No, I know one day you will remember me, and you will, and that day I will be laughing.
Alright guys, I do hope you all are ready for me today.
Yes, sir. We are ready.
That's good. So let's see who's been paying attention. So, if x plus 3 equals to 7, what is the value of x? Anyone?
Sir.
Ngozi?
Yes, sir. S is equal to 4.
4. Correct. Round of applause. Clap again. Good. Correct. So x equals to 4. So let's go higher now. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if 2x raised to power 2 minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Who can solve this? Solve. Fast. Let's see the genius. You again? No.
Sir.
Emeka.
Sir, I think the answer is x equals to 4.
Emeka, you don't think. You say it because you're sure. But not bad.
Yes, sir.
So, who else? Chinaya, want to try?
Sir, the answer is x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1/2.
Beautiful, correct. Please clap for her. Keep clapping. Correct. This is good. You know, she didn't just think. She solved it. and give me the direct answer. Mathematics rewards patience, right? And clear thinking. So next time, be sure, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's go to something higher and tougher, alright?
Sir, hey, Chineye wants to take your job.
Well, if she continues like this, I bet you she will eventually teach here. Yes, yes. So, let's go higher.
Don't tell me you spent 3,500 naira to buy food in canteen.
Just someone special that I got this for.
Someone special? Don't tell me it's a man.
Might not happen again. I didn't say that.
You don't have to tell me. It's written all over your face. I know it's a man.
Alright. See you in class.
Don't worry, I'll see you. I'm coming, yeah?
Alright.
You understand,
okay?
My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me.
You've been so mean with your students. You've been so tough with them. So this food needs to calm you down.
Well, thank you so much. But this meat is nice. Thank you.
Let me feed you. Let me feed you now.
Okay. Come on.
Okay, fine. Just eat it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here you go again.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go again.
Come on.
Eat now.
I can feed myself.
You're doing bad at it.
My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. What is love that I ask? What is love that I want? I have come to realize.
Did you?
Yeah. Good afternoon. How are you?
I swear that it was awkward.
Yeah.
But I helped you, you know.
How?
You'd have written nonsense on the board.
What is your problem?
I'm not the cause of your problem.
When you don't look at me, you're the one for me. Oh, you're the where I breathe. If you don't know, you're the one for me. Oh, you're the where I pray. Here will go more, will be more. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. I have done so many things.
You're back already. Without the one.
Good afternoon.
Wait. Okay, what happened?
Mama, nothing happened. I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Why does she look angry? I hope all is well, oh.
Because of you, so many things have changed, but so many reasons. Even when I don't know, even when you don't look at me, you're the one for me.
Bargain. Huh? What is it? You're fine. You know I can see through that your face. So talk to me. What is it?
I'm nothing serious. Just that I failed one of our tests today.
Just that?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I know I don't like failing.
Nobody loves to fail. But let me teach you something today. You see, failure is part of learning. You see all those great people you know, all those great people you've been hearing their names, they failed at some point of their lives. When you fail, it gives you an opportunity to read properly, prepare yourself for next time. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mama.
Good. So please don't let anything steal your joy from you. Okay?
Okay, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome. So first time, go and eat your food and help me with the dinner so that you will help me. Let's prepare something for our dinner. Go and eat. Okay, let me get more vegetables.
My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. My heart just there to me, tinny winny winny winny. Ah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here you go again.
Thank you.
What is love that I ask? What is love that I want? I have come to realize who.
Don't move any further.
I don't understand.
Stay right there.
Mama, what did happen now?
Where is my money that you took from me yesterday? Now, please bring all my money out.
I don't take your money.
Please, he's your son. Keep the gun, Biko.
And you, if you do not leave that place right now, I will forget that you are my wife. Leave there now. Where's my money?
Bring it out now.
Take.
Hey, God.
So it has been you all along, not so? It has been you all along, eh? So it has been you all along, eh? It has been you all along, not so? Eh? It has been you all along. Is it not so?
Ordinary 50,000 I collect from you now. Like, you can't go to face me like I be criminal. Nah, Mama, you even stand there now. Your only son, now they won't use gun kiss, so you not talk put.
Useless son. Don't worry.
Hold my leg, not hold my neck. You won't kill me.
I know what to do. Don't worry. You don't know that I'm a retired soldier. Retired soldier for that matter. Nothing you will do that I will not know.
I've cried enough. I think it is time to do something about what I want. Maybe Obinna likes me too. He just does not know how to say it. What if I tell him and he scolds me or laughs at me? No. There is another way to do it, to make him see me or want me.
My
sometimes I think I waited so long to tell you how beautiful you are.
Baby, stop that.
Stop what? No, I mean it. You make my life so easy. In rough times, you're always there. I love you so much.
I love you too.
So many things have changed, but so many reasons. Even when I don't know, even when you don't look at me.
Stop, please.
Stop what?
Listen, we can't do this.
Why? Babe, we love each other, don't we?
I know, but not this way, not like this.
Baby, come on.
Stop, please. Listen, I'm still a virgin. Okay? And I intend to keep it for my husband. I mean, until we get married.
Okay. Come on. Can't you see that
Please, don't make this harder than it already is. Please. I think I should go. I better leave. I'm sorry.
Just to have you word to myself. When I look around, all I see is your face. When I look around, all I see is you by my side. Hey, please don't be more. Please don't be more. Please don't be more. My heart just did to me, tinny, winny, winny, winny. My heart just did to me, tinny, winny, winny, winny. My heart just did to me, tinny, winny, winny, winny.
Okay, is that you? Come in.
What is love that I am? What is love that I want?
Chinoye, what are you doing here? How did you get in here?
Sir, the gate was open and even the central door was also open.
Oh.
So I came to return the notebook you gave me.
Okay. Drop it there. Drop it there.
Even when you don't look at me.
Sir,
you're the one.
have you been drinking?
Oh, yes. No, yes. I just took just a little one to clear my head.
You don't feel good. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. You won't understand. Okay?
Try me. Then I will understand.
Try you?
Sir, you're always helping people. Allow me to help you.
No. This isn't right. You're my student. And I'm your teacher. You're my student.
Don't think, just feel it.
Why your ma? My beautiful sister.
Thank you, Nemi.
How are you?
I'm fine. The weather is too hot.
You going to see Obina again, right?
Yes, I mean, I've been there for a while.
I thought as much. Oh, wait. Okay. What happened to your earring? That one.
Oh my God, he must have fallen off on the road. He must have fallen off. Hey, I didn't even notice. What are you doing?
You sure it didn't fall off when you were trying or when you were blushing over him?
Can you stop?
Yes,
no.
Now, but it's true. That's what happened now. That is it.
Were you there?
Wasn't there,
Were you
but
there?
it's written all over your face.
It must have fallen off. Let me go and look for it.
Wait. Okay, wait. Just wait. I do not have any problem with you and Obina. But you just have to be careful. Don't let your emotion carry you away. You guys are not married. I guess you know that.
Now, it's just an earring now. Nothing special. Let me go and look for you, Joe.
I know you will go. But please, just be wise. That's all I'm saying. You are my holy sister now.
Motivational speaker.
My hobby. So you will not let this love overshadow you.
Go, Joe. I'm coming.
Why, man? I'm here waiting now. Hurry up, please. Love. Guys with love. Sometimes love makes them look foolish. Anyway, let's just hope for be nice. The right person.
Chinoye, you're something else. Tell me, you've been doing this before now, right? I mean, you have a boyfriend?
I used to. But that was a long time ago. It ended.
If I don't see this earring, this boy will not let me rest. How did this thing fall now, eh? Hey! Not even this one. Hey! Oh God. Where will I find this earring now? Hey, where did you even fall now? Where did you fall?
So go back to me.
What kind of wahala is this one now? Eh? What kind of wahala is this? Dennis will not let me hear word now. Eh? He will not let me hear word.
Listen to me. On no account must anyone hear what transpired between both of us. Right?
Why? Are you trying to say you didn't enjoy it?
No, I did. I enjoyed it, but that is not the point. The point here is that this is not right. I am your teacher. And you are my student. Right? This isn't supposed to happen in the first place.
But I like you, sir.
No, now, please. Please, not now. Okay? Not now. Please. like I said earlier, no one should hear this. Promise me.
Obi!
That's okay. I'll lead you through.
Obina!
No. She is there. You have to take it. Let's take the back door. The back door.
Obina! Obi! Obina! Obina! Obina, open the door! Obi! Onye? Oh yeah, who is knocking? Who wants to break my door? Huh? Oh yeah, Nako. Mama. Actually, go. Okay, Vicky. Are you the one knocking?
Yes, I've been knocking since and nobody's opening. I was even calling on Obina, no response.
How long have you been knocking?
I've been here for a while now, knocking.
You mean this door is locked?
Yes, Mama, it's locked.
Oh, maybe he's sleeping. Hey, don't worry, let me go through the back door and open for you.
It's kind of sleep safe. Please wake him up. I've been calling him since.
Sorry.
My knock is supposed to have woken him up.
Obina. You are here sleeping. Somebody has been knocking on the door.
I did not hear. I've been sleeping. Sorry.
Anyway, let me call her. Okay.
Mama.
I told you should be inside. He's sleeping.
He's sleeping too much.
It's okay.
Okay.
I've been knocking now, calling your name since.
Yeah, where again? Is that the problem?
Yeah, I think I forgot one of my earrings. It fell off here.
Alright, you can look for it. Just look for it then.
Okay. Thank God. I've seen it.
Alright now.
Are we going now?
Chinaye. Why are you running? What happened?
Good afternoon, ma. Ma, nothing happened though. I was just hurrying home.
Hurrying home?
Yes, ma.
From which direction are you coming? Isn't that the path that leads to Oma Nnanna's house?
Ma, I didn't go there. I didn't go there. I just passed through the road because it's shorter. Yes, I didn't go there, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
This one you look frightened.
No, ma, I'm fine. I'm just rushing home so that my mother will not start shouting at me.
Okay, oh, if you say so. But see, let me warn you. Next time, don't run like that. Stop running like someone that is being chased. You might scare people.
Okay, ma.
Oh yeah, go and be safe.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Hey. It seems all road leads to Oma Nnanna's house today.
Cheesy, what's that supposed to mean?
I see you're coming from your darling's house. Do not tell me you're not.
Yes, I am coming from his house. What is it? Ogini?
Yeah. Nothing, no. It's just that I just saw Chinoye not too far from there. She almost ran into me, looking like someone that is being chased. And then I said to myself, maybe the road is now the busiest road in this village.
Cheesy. If you like, believe anything you want to believe. It is none of my business. What is your own this afternoon?
Look at this one. He has not even put a ring on your finger and he wants to finish chopping you. See, my dear, you better shine your eyes, oh. Be wise before he will chop you and chop you and chop you and chop you and throw you away like an orange that is being sucked dry.
Every time your mouth is going, what is your business? Tatafo, what is your business? Listen, I'm warning you. Stay away from me. Mind your business and leave me alone. What's your problem now?
Hey.
It is my life, Abi. Leave me alone. Let him chop me.
You're warning me?
Yes.
Hi. Chai, love has really blinded you. Don't worry, go ahead. Be going. Mrs. Obinna in advance.
Madam, this is my life. Stay away from my life. Stay away from my life. I'm warning you. Next time you try this nonsense again, you will not like me.
Did not say I did not warn you. Don't say Cheesy did not warn you. By the time he will start giving you breakfast in bed and heartbreak for dessert. Lover girl, Mrs. Obinna. One else will never see in this village. Hey, Chinoye. Okay.
What is love that I ask? What is love that I want? I have come to realize, because of you, so many things have come.
Ogina fio. Obi, why are you both dressed like a wedding guest?
You want to know why we're dressed like this?
Yes, no.
Are you really sure you want to know?
Mama, I want to know.
Okay, just be patient. Very soon you will know why we are dressed like this.
Okay.
Okay. From the very first moment you walked into my life, I knew you were a special person. A woman full of life. You make me laugh. You pushed me into becoming the man that I am today. And I'm really grateful.
Obi, where are you driving at with all the sweet words?
Okay. Like I said, there is no better time than now. I simply don't want to lose you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you, the mother of my unborn kids. I want to grow old with you. Please, will you marry me? Please, don't say no. Please.
Yes. I'll marry you.
Yes!
Yes.
Whoa!
Oh my God, this is beautiful. Come on.
You like it?
Okay, baby. This is beautiful. You have made me the happiest mother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Obinna, thank you for doing this. Finally,
yes.
You are a man. Okay, welcome to our family. Thank you, Mama. So I'll get you married. Yes. This is your home. You can even go and bring your clothes and come and stay there. But first of all, you guys should come in. I prepared lots and lots of delicacies. Okay.
I trust you.
My heart just there to me, tinny, winnie, winnie, winnie.
Oh. Chinoye, what is it?
I don't know.
What's happening to you?
My stomach just turned suddenly.
Oh, it's okay. Come. It's okay. Relax yourself. Eh? I think, to what I can say, this is malaria.
I don't know. I don't just feel okay.
You'll be so weak these days. Come and sit down, okay? You know what will happen now? Let me go get you malaria drugs, okay?
Okay.
You'll be fine. Yeah. Just try and rest yourself. Easy. Relax, okay? I'm coming. Chime, how about you now? You dey okay, Abi? Yeah, hold this one, they come. Hold on, they come.
But I don't like the smell.
Okay, hold on. Which one? I don't like the smell. Yeah.
Okay, Nekwa. What is going on there?
Mama.
Huh? Okay.
It's Chinoye. She will not be feeling fine since morning. So I went to get her malaria drugs.
Yeah.
But she refused to take it.
Ekuna. Nne. Okay. Ngwano, take it, oh?
Mama, I don't like the smell.
Nobody likes the smell of medicine. Man, you have to take it so that you will be fine. How many?
2. 2 morning, afternoon, and evening.
Okay. If you take 2 now, you will take 2 later. What put I go to
Take it now.
Ndo, give her the water.
Take your water. Oh yeah, put the drugs in your mouth. Put it in your mouth first.
Nyeni and Millie, give her water.
Nice one.
It's okay. You will be fine. What put I go to
Mama. But at least I don't do one good thing for this house.
Some money.
Mama,
what is it?
I don't know if you can lend me just more.
I no go lend. That means it is money. Yes. I don't have. No, so now you're not a child anymore. Eh? You're supposed to be giving me money, not the other way around. Biko, just go out there and start making money. Like other men. Okay. Biko, don't rely on your parents anymore for money.
No, I will try, but if I can't lay my hand on any money, I'll come back to you.
No, you cannot come back to me. Go and make money. You feel better soon, oh? Ndo.
Thank you, Mama.
Ayapana, oh.
Chidaya. This is why you came without your books. Any problem?
So I did not come to study. I came to show you something.
Show me something.
Yes.
Okay. What is this?
It is my pregnancy test. I am 5 weeks pregnant.
I don't understand. You're pregnant. Pregnant for who exactly? What are you talking about? How is that even possible?
Sir, that day we did it. It is exactly 5 weeks now. And I haven't been with anyone else.
Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please, I beg you. You have to take this out and make sure no one hears about it or know about this one. Not your friends, not your parents. Please, you have to take this one out immediately.
What? Take what out? You mean I should kill my baby?
No, it's not yet a baby. It's just ordinary blood. Please, take anything you say, please. Please, think about your life. My life. The future. I could lose my job. If your dad gets to hear this, we'll be completely ruined and I will end up in jail. I'm very sure you don't want that for me.
Sir, I have thought about it. I'm not doing that. I mean, I'm not killing my baby.
Hey, you don't understand what you're saying. If this happens, if people get to know about this, our lives will be completely ruined. And I don't want that. Bikono.
Maybe it will. I'm not killing my baby. I'm not taking my baby out for any reason.
Chinoya? Chinoya? Hey! Hey! What have I gotten myself into? Pregnant? Hey, Mbao. No. Hey!
Cheesy. I have good news for you. Take a look. What do you see? And you don't blind your eye. I am engaged by my beautiful and lovely husband, Obinna.
Engaged, you say?
Look at it. Film and where see and film am. Ha!
Oh, this your engagement ring doesn't look original. Eh?
This ring is looking like those rings about people they sell for 2,500, I mean 1,500. My dear, give this ring 1 week, it will wash, oh. Before you know, your fingers will start turning green. Anyways, congratulations. At least you're getting married to your poor boyfriend, while my niece is about to marry a billionaire. And love is indeed blind and sometimes deaf too.
You're not even ashamed of yourself. You're here mocking somebody that's already engaged. You, who has engaged you? Nobody. Ordinary plastic rings you did not see. You're celebrating your niece. Is your niece? Are you your niece? Where is your own billionaire husband? You don't have shame. Hey. Better go and pray or go and join them, Shiloh. Shiloh will soon start. Go and join them, fasting and prayer, so that you will find a husband. Don't be here pock-nosing and acting like a jealous witch.
Bia, see, don't allow ordinary engagement ring to make you lose respect though. It is just an engagement ring, and there is a big difference between engagement ring and wedding ring. They are two different things. Sometimes some persons don't get the second one. Just be careful.
At least get the first one now. Get the first one before you talk about the second. Which one have you gotten? Have they even tied red or white thread on your finger before? Have you worn anything on this finger before? Choke on it. I am getting married. Jealous. Because
wash engagement ring.
Make it like that.
Hey! Ah, cheesy, I've suffered though. Hey! If somebody is talking about engagement, okay, you too. Ha! It's not your fault. Now me make mistake past this road.
Mama! No, sir!
Nnanna! Nnanna! Where is this? Chinonye! Chinonye! Come here, come here, come here. Come here quickly, come here. Come and cannot. What is here? Come and read it properly for me. Yes. Read it, read it, read it. Read it now, explain it to me.
Papa, not much. It's my malaria test result.
Oh, I see. This my eyes, they are beginning to fail me. Yes. Right. They are beginning to fail me. I think I will need to see the doctor.
Papa, you should.
I will need to see the doctor. All right.
Okay, Papa.
noise. Stop making noise. Class, greets.
Good afternoon, students. You may sit. Jesus! Hey! Ma, what nonsense. Sleeping in my classroom like a pregnant woman. Are you alright?
Ma, I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self. The next time you feel sleepy, you go teach your bed and not my classroom.
Yes.
Students, please bring out your notebook. Today we'll be talking about clauses and sentence structure. Can I have the marker?
What are you talking about?
Clauses and sentence structure.
Yay! Lekwa na agbogo. Lekwa na agbogo. Chinonye.
Mama.
You are shining these days, oh. Eh? You don't want to tell me your secret. Eh? Look, in fact, you don't even look like a student again. Be careful. Take it easy on that enjoyment. Okay. I know your mommy and your daddy pampers you a lot, but remember you are still a young girl. Don't spoil your shape with too much enjoyment.
All right.
We're now near.
Thank
Welcome.
you, Mama. Thank you, Ma.
You came to see your sir. He's over there.
Okay, let me go and see him.
All right. I want to go and spread this thing at the back.
Okay, Mama.
No. Oh.
No. Good afternoon, sir.
Have you seen what's going on?
What do you mean?
Your English teacher, Chizzy, said you were sleeping in class like a pregnant woman. Oge said you're adding weight in your cheeks. And now my mother just said that you're looking so fresh. How long do you think it will take before people start realizing what is going on? Even your mother, very soon, she will know that you're pregnant. I beg you, please, Chinoye, for your future, my future, I mean our future, please, gently and quietly remove this thing that you are carrying in your stomach and nobody will know about it. Please.
Sir, with due respect, I am not removing anything. And I'm not telling my parents. But I am not afraid if they find out. Sir, I am not asking you to marry me. I just want to have this child. Even if you don't marry me.
Are you okay? Is something wrong with your head? No, I can see that you're really obsessed. Yes, you are. Now I am not even begging you, alright? I am ordering you. Get that thing out before it gets too late. Alright? That's all.
Okay. Why are you raising your voice? What has she done?
Mama? Nothing. I was just going through the general assessment in class and I found out that Chinoye here is not doing well academically. I am just here advising her to take her studies very serious and she's proving stubborn.
Mama, you should try and... Chinoye, wait now! You see, you must have really hurt this girl. For her not to even listen to me, she's really angry.
I know, but how else do I do this?
You should take it easy. That is what I'm saying. Women are so fragile at heart. Take it easy with her. Huh?
Yes, Mama.
You take it easy. Wherever you're area.
After everything we did, start shouting at me. I think I know what to do. I'll tell my parents. Yes. I'll tell them everything. He's not shouting at me.
Is it overripe? Oh, but you know I usually like the one that is crunchy. It's okay. It's fine. I thought you would not eat it so that I'll finish everything.
Papa!
What
Mama!
Ogini, what is it?
Mama!
What is it, my daughter? Why are you crying?
I need to tell you something.
Oh yeah, tell us, speak to us. What is it? What is it? You left this house today, happy. Now you are coming back like somebody who has had a serious fight along the road. Huh? Talk to us. What is the problem? What is it?
Papa, don't be angry if I say it.
You're scaring me. No, we can't be angry now. We can't. Just say it. Say it. Tell us. Just tell us what happened. Say it. Say it now. Okay. All right. Say it. Tell us. Did anybody assault you? Say it.
Cheesy now. Calm down.
No, so what is it?
Let me talk to you.
Eh?
Hey, see, you know you are a fine girl. Every day that you take a fight, yesterday you will fight past today. Today you will fight past. In fact, tomorrow you will still fight past today. Fine girl. See, just give me that opportunity to show you the real love. I tell you, I will change your life. I really love you.
Nonso.
Give me the chance.
Nonso, can you please just rest? Every time, love. Wait, let me ask you. Do you know what love is? Do you know the meaning of love, Nonso?
See, how will I know the meaning of love if you don't show me? If you don't give me the opportunity? See, now let me tell you something. I'm a changed man. I am ready to make everything right. Just give me the chance, please. Please now. Just look at me.
Don't beg me.
Is that not?
Don't beg me. I have told you. I will not take it from him. I am not going to take it from him.
I'm begging. Calm down.
Don't tell me that.
Papa,
what is it?
Mama,
what's happening?
Papa, please don't do that.
Don't tell me anything. Hey, Biko. Think about our family.
Papa,
think about what people will say. Biko.
Papa.
Biko.
Papa, please, I'm very sorry. Papa, don't do that. Papa, I'm sorry.
Biko.
Papa, I'm sorry.
So, maybe you mean after our traditional marriage, we'll now go to town for the reception?
Yes, baby. Just small something. You know my people love celebration. I don't want them to say I'm getting married to you quietly.
Okay.
In a low key,
Baby, I can't wait.
I know you can't wait.
I can't wait.
I love you so much, baby.
I love you too, baby.
Excuse me. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hey! Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate. I will do my best when given the opportunity. Please. Thank you, sir. Ah!
What? I didn't hear anything.
I've been considered for a position of vice principal. Yes, baby. My God, I'm so happy.
I'm so happy for you. So my husband is going to be the vice principal.
Yeah. Where is that boy? Where is he?
I don't have any criminal here.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you, Obinna? Chinoye,
Papa.
Tell them what you told us. Tell him!
Okay, Papa. Sir Obinna shouted at me. He scolded me in front of people. He said hurtful things to me. I don't like anybody shouting at me. He really hurts my feelings. If my father has never shouted at me before.
Wait, he came back. You mean you came all the way from your house because your daughter's teacher scolded her, which is a normal thing? Eh? Is that why you're here?
Calm there. Keep your mouth shut. And don't speak nonsense from your mouth.
Or what will happen?
Chinoye is my daughter. And I have never ever hurt her. I pay her fees. I pay her lesson fees. She hates to be hurt. Now, it's for you. Don't ever let this happen again. Do you hear me? Don't you ever try it again. Nonsense. You think you can hurt my daughter? Eh? You think you can hurt my daughter?
How, Jim? Hey, what kind of a human being is this?
Hey, Mama, what kind of a father is this? Going around with a gun just because his daughter was scolded at?
Can you imagine? I'm not sure Ikemba is still normal. It's not ordinary. I can imagine the disgrace when he was coming all the way from his house shouting, making noise because of his daughter. Eh? Can you imagine?
With a gun for that matter.
It's okay. Let him go. I don't want his troubles.
Hey, his own is too much. Is he the only old soldier in this community? If all the old soldiers we have here come out and start making noise, do you think Ikemba will stand? But every time you come to threaten people's life in their homes. Baby, don't worry. He's not coming back. Enjoy yourself, eh?
Okay, you have to be careful. You have to be careful.
Be careful because of what? I scolded his daughter. I mean, if she do bad thing, I should just be looking at her. Is that what you're saying?
But just avoid her. Look at the kind of family that she comes from. Avoid her before they will shoot you. You don't love your life. See what you're scolding has brought you a gun. You have luck. Oh. That man is not joking. Oh.
Okay. Our wedding, everything is already set. The job, almost there. They even said they are considering me for vice principal. How did I let things get this bad? If Ikemba can storm my house with a gun just because I scolded his daughter, what will happen when he hears the truth? What do I do now? I am confused. Chinoye, I am begging you, please. You need to understand this one. If anyone finds out that you are pregnant and I'm responsible for it, I will lose everything. I will lose my job, my reputation, everything I've ever worked for.
So what are you now saying? I should remove my baby? No, I will not.
What are you saying? Please, I am your teacher, you're my student, and I care so much about you and your future. This will further damage and ruin your life. Please.
I am not removing anything, and that is it.
I am...
Chinonye! 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 Hey! Good! Chinonye! 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 Hey!
Yeah, Oga.
Welcome, mommy.
This one you are at home. Whatever, Naga.
I'm always at home now.
Hey, can no one always at home.
Mama!
My leg.
Sorry.
Hey! Sorry, my leg.
Mama, what happened?
Hey, no, he's spending me. Oh.
It's okay. Mama.
He's spending. Hey, why? Spending me.
Sorry.
Is he bleeding?
No, it's not bleeding.
Is he so?
No.
He's not bleeding.
But that stone is big enough, Mama.
Hey.
How come you did not see it?
What kind of bad luck is this? Why you? Take it easy.
Okay, how will I carry you?
See, he's spending me now.
Oh, sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. Get up. Just try. Easy.
Your father is not at home.
No, he's not. Sorry.
Bad luck. Sorry.
How come you did see this stone?
Must I see everything? Must I see everything?
Sorry.
What kind of bad luck is this?
Mommy, this is not a bad luck. Maybe it's just a mistake. At least you watch where you are going to.
Hey. Oh, what kind of problem is this now? How did this thing happen? Wait, why? What is wrong with me today? Everything is just falling from my hand. The one who cabins. Oh. This is not good. This is not good.
You know,
if you don't clean them up like this, they might not release the bullets fully. Ma, have you seen our daughter today?
No, I have not. I think she went out. I even asked our son, but he said that she didn't tell him where she was going.
What? She went out?
Mm.
Since when? has our daughter started going out without informing anybody? Huh?
You know children of these days now. Know how they behave. She will soon be back.
No. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like it. She cannot just on her own go out without informing us now. Huh? What about something bad happens to her there now, where she is?
God forbid. Nothing will happen to her. She will soon be back. Maybe she's held up somewhere. She will soon be back. My people don't.
I don't like this behavior of hers. And of late, she has been somehow, recently. Yes, I don't like it.
I agree with you. Lately, she has been keeping to herself. I don't know why.
Anyway, I will give her 1 hour or 2. I will be waiting for her here. And if she does not come back, I will go and look for her wherever she is.
Okay. Keep the gun like this.
Okay, but you came to meet me.
Yes, I wanted to ask you what you will eat.
Oh. You know my special now. Just prepare that for me. Prepare it for me.
Okay. Oh.
Child. Such a beautiful and well-behaved child. Who could have thought such a thing would happen to her? No, it shouldn't have been Chinonye. Shouldn't have been Chinonye. Oh.
Mama, this girl was one of my best students. Not the best, but at least she's so focused, she learns so fast, very respectful. I don't understand. What could have gone wrong?
Or could she have eloped with another man? Yeah, you know, these children of nowadays.
Well, okay, I can't say. We're not girls of these days. They are capable of anything.
Yeah, this is their teenage age. A lot could be happening.
Or is she kidnapped?
Kidnapped?
Who knows?
I don't even know what to think again.
Yeah. If she was kidnapped, the kidnappers would have called for ransom by now.
Oh, where?
Yes, it's 2 days already.
But not this girl. It wouldn't have been Chinonye. It wouldn't have been her.
I just pray. I pray she's safe wherever she is.
Amen.
Amen. No, because Akaji won't happen here. Akaji won't happen here.
No worries, she'll come back in one piece. I believe so.
Oh, my daughter. My beautiful daughter. Why you? Why you? My love. A daughter that I love so much. Why? Why you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Chizzy.
Sir.
What has brought you here at this hour?
Sir, please. There's something I noticed before Chinonye's disappearance, so I thought I should let you know.
What is that? What is it? Tell me, talk to me.
Hey! Nai!
Talk to me.
See what I found in our daughter's room. Hey! Hey! Pregnancy test result. Oh. Hey! She was pregnant. Hey!
Pregnant?
Yes, sir. I should have known. I should have known all the signs were there. The morning sickness, the tiredness. I should have known. Oh, I should have known. Izoku.
Yes, you should have known. You mean our daughter has lived in this house with us all this while and she's pregnant? Eh?
Sir, Ma, that's part of what I came to tell you. Sir, Ma, before Chinoye's disappearance, I noticed something strange about her. The other day I saw her walking on the road, looking very worried. And then I asked her if she was coming from Obina's house.
What? Obina? That teacher?
Yes, sir. Ma, she said no. She denied it. But still, I wasn't convinced. And that's why I'm here. To tell you to maybe check around there. Who knows? Maybe she has a boyfriend there or someone she has been secretly seeing.
Hey!
Hey. It's alright.
I will get to the bottom of this. I will surely get to the bottom of this. And whoever is responsible for this will be tied that person. Will be tied that person. Come. Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, ma. I'm very sure.
Hey. Hey.
Good day, Mr. Obina. My name is Detective Okoro. I'm from the division. I am the detective in charge of the investigation into the disappearance of one of your students, Miss Chinoye Ikemba. I'm actually going around to see if I can gather information from one or two persons.
Thank you so much, officer. What can I do to help you?
We have come to understand that the girl in question was found to be pregnant before her disappearance. Did you notice any unusual traits with her lately?
Pregnant?
You heard me.
What? No. No. That's impossible. She was one of my best students. No, Chinoye cannot be pregnant. That's not true. It's impossible.
Are you saying you did not notice any change?
Officer, are you trying
I am not done yet, Mr. Obina. No mood swings? No absence from school? Is that what you're telling me?
I never noticed anything. I had no single idea. She was always punctual. Very calm and quiet girl. I swear, I have never noticed anything like that.
Is there no possibility that you had a personal relationship with her outside the classroom?
Officer, please. Are you... No way. I'm just her school teacher. I have no personal dealings with her. No, not at all.
Mr. Obina, have you taken note of anyone around this part of the neighborhood coming around to pay her a visit? I mean, who she often meets with?
Honestly, none I can think of. See, officer, it is a mixed school where we see boys and girls talk together.
Really?
Yes, they move together. You don't expect me to monitor their private life. Okay? It's actually not my business. I'm just a school teacher. I can't say for sure that she's dating anyone. It's not my business. I'm just a school teacher. Nothing more.
You seem very surprised when I said she was pregnant before her disappearance. Is there anything you would want to tell me, Mr. Obina? I mean, if you have noticed any unusual traits about this girl in question.
Officer, what are you talking about? You just told me that my student was pregnant and disappeared just like that. What am I supposed to do? Laugh? Jump up? No, I am just as shocked as everyone. Excuse me, sir. Am I a suspect in this matter?
Hey. I am not insinuating that yet. There is no suspect. I'm only going around to gather information. That is what I'm doing. Besides, one of the teachers, Miss Cheesy, told me she sees Chinoye around this neighborhood. Is there something you would want to say to that?
I had no idea about that. It's always very hard for me to see Chinoye around after school hours, so I don't think so.
Are you very sure?
Whatever I tell you here is 100.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Thank you, officer.
If I need you for more questioning, please, be rest assured we'll get in touch. Do not leave town for the now. Investigation is still ongoing.
Thank you.
I'll see you around.
What kind of trouble is this?
I don't know. I guess he's doing his job.
I am worried, though. Obinna, I am worried.
Chizzy, I was heading to your house now. Why are you going around peddling fake rumors concerning me and the disappearance of Chinoye? Why?
Obinna, I didn't say anything, no. I did not say anything. I only said what I knew.
My goodness. What you knew or what you imagined? Hey, let me warn you. Better stop poking your nose. Stop saying nonsense about me, about what you know nothing about. What exactly have I done to you? Why?
You want to know?
Yes.
Okay, fine, I'll tell you. Obinna, I love you. Yes, I have feelings for you and I've had it for a long time. But you never look my way. So since you decided to go after Oge instead of me, I decided to be a thorn in your flesh.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. See, look, let's just forget about everything and start something beautiful between us, you and I. Please.
Are you insane? Can you hear yourself? Hey, it will never work. Never! Listen, you better stay off me, else you will regret.
Obinna, you'll be the one to regret this. I promise you, you're going to regret this.
Sir, Ma'am, we have been following every lead so far so good. And we've been opportune enough to have a word or two with some of our schoolmates and the teachers. The search for the disappearance of your daughter will continue until we find her. That I can assure you.
Officer, please help us find our daughter. Please.
Right,
help us.
She'll be fine.
Hey. Hey. Hello? Hello?
We have your daughter, Chinoye. If you want her back safely, alive, then get ready the sum of 1 million naira immediately.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir, please, whose call was it?
I don't know the person, but the person said that they have my daughter and that if I want to get her back alive, I have to bring 1 million naira as ransom. Hey, my God. My God. Oh.
Now I need you to stay calm.
Okay.
and do not panic.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Did he tell you where the drop and the pickup zone could possibly be?
No, he did not. He only said that he was going to call me back.
Okay, good. If he puts a call through back to you, do not take his call.
Okay.
We need to tread on the path of caution as it is now.
Okay.
We will handle this. This could be the breakthrough we've been waiting for.
Okay.
Alright?
1 million. Sir, we have heard you.
Detective Fume, yes, I need you and your boys to be on standby.
At least this will get them off my back.
Hey! It won't get me off your back.
Hey!
I overheard when you were saying that you have only 500,000 naira.
Yes.
This is my life savings. 200,000 naira. Add it to it.
Oh, my wife. Thank you. That makes it now 700,000.
Yes.
So we still need 300,000.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, my wife. Thank you.
Papa, Mama, is the money complete now?
I don't understand. Complete as how? Huh? What do you mean by how do you want the money is complete? Instead of you to come back here and say, okay, Papa, Mama, this is the money I have to add to this money. You're asking, you believe whether the money is complete. Eh?
But Papa, you know I don't have any money to contribute.
There you go again. What else do we expect from you? Good for nothing. That is what you are. Good for nothing.
But Papa,
Papa, what? Shut up, just shut up. Your mates are out there looking for how they will get money to bring to their homes to take care of their parents. You are just useless. Nothing. If you know you don't have anything to contribute in this place, leave my presence now. Get out of here. I say leave my presence and get out of here. Useless boy.
But Mama, you know I don't have money now.
I should clap for you up here.
Abi? Eh?
So my husband, how do we get 300,000? Remember what the inspector said? He said we should not pay any ransom. Maybe we should wait.
Wait, Ikwa. What do you mean by that? Is it the inspector's daughter that is missing? Or will the inspector be there to feel the pains that we are going to go through? See, I am a retired soldier. I have seen death before, but certainly not that of my daughter. And I'm ready to go at any length to get my daughter free. All we have to do now is to see how I can struggle to make this money complete.
Wait. Did I just see Chinoye's ghost? Is my mind playing tricks on me?
Obinna!
Mama.
Mama. Ogeni, why are you panting like this?
You just startled me.
Is that why you're panting? Are you sure you're alright?
Yes,
I am fine. It's just that I'm just so worried. Since the sudden disappearance of Chinoye, I can't sleep. It's haunting me. I don't know why this happened. I don't know what went wrong.
Oh, Mom, I understand. Every other person will feel the way you're feeling now. Nobody that has come close to Chinonye that will not miss her. But whatever be the case, just take it easy on yourself, eh? Don't worry. Chinonye will be found one day. She will come back.
God, that girl is such a good girl. She's one of my best students.
I know. Even me. I miss her so much. Very gentle. It's okay. Come, go down. Oh?
I pray God brings her home safely.
She will by God's grace. Oh? Mbana, how was school today? You're welcome. Let me go and prepare your food. Oh?
Wait. Did I just see Chinoye's ghost haunting me?
My wife, finally I've been able to get the money to complete the 1 million naira.
Hey!
Yes. One of my friends offered to give us 300,000. So now we have the money complete.
My husband, God will bless you.
Thank you.
At least now when they come, we'll know how they will get the money and we'll get back our child, Gloria.
Yes, sir. After all, what is 1 million compared to the life of our daughter? Let's just wait and hope that they will come.
I think the phone is ringing.
It's true. Hello?
Good day, Mr. Kimber. This is Detective Okoro. We are still working on your daughter's case. I only called to update you, sir.
Oh, Inspector. Please go ahead.
We have hatched a plan. If you can raise the ransom money they are asking for, we can use it as a bait on them. When the kidnappers call you again, just cooperate with them. We will monitor every move around them and then take them in.
Okay, Inspector. But you see, I am still trying to see how the money can be complete. I have not been able to get the full money. Yes, so when it is full, I will contact you.
Alright. Oh, that is good to hear. So please do your best to raise it quickly. The sooner we have it, the better. That's our only chance to have them arrested.
Okay, Inspector. Okay, Inspector. Thank you. Thank you.
You'll hear from me.
Why did you tell him that the money is not complete?
See, my wife, I don't want to involve the police in this matter. I don't want any bait. I don't want the police to be involved. What if the kidnappers now discover that the police is involved? They can just take the life of our daughter.
It's true. It's true. You know, I wasn't thinking in that direction.
So now, it's just left for us to wait. It's left for us to wait to see if the kidnappers will call us. And then I will take the money to go and give to them wherever they are.
You're right. Hey, you're right. It's better.
I did not come to kill you. That was just to wake you up.
Okay. Chinonye, please. I beg you. Anything you want. Please. Do it, please.
You will call my parents tonight. Tell them where you dumped my body so they can bury me.
Yes. I will do it.
That's what your phone is ringing. Okay.
It's the kidnappers. Put on speaker. Hello? Hello?
Tomorrow morning, I will call you again. I'll tell you where to bring the money.
Okay. We have heard you. We will wait for your call. No harm should come to my daughter, please. No harm, please. Let no harm touch my daughter, please, Please. We will wait for your call. Thank you. They've got the call. So, we will wait for the call now. When they call us, we will take the money there.
Good job.
Hey! Hey! What have I done?
I am at the place now.
Now listen carefully. Turn and walk towards the west until you see a bamboo tree. You are an ex-soldier, so I expect you to know your directions.
I understand.
Move.
I am by the bamboo now.
Good. Look around carefully. You will see something.
Who has done this to you? Who has done this to you?
There will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. There will be no peace for the wicked. Yeah. There will be no peace for the wicked.
Hey! Mama? This Noye? Papa!
Hey! Mama, Biko. Mama.
What happened? What happened? Hey!
What is this? Chiba!
What happened to her?
Chinanya!
Tell me what happened to her!
We don't know. Chinanya! Who did this to her? Water, please. Man also. Chinanya! Hey! Chimo!
Nanya, Mom.
Chinanya, why did you leave me like this?
You are alive?
No, Mama. I am not alive. Not anymore.
Tell me who killed you. Chinanya, please tell me who killed you.
Mama, don't cry. Stop hurting yourself. It is so sad how I left. I'm in a better place now, Mama.
My daughter, please tell me. I need to know. Tell me, please.
There will be no peace for the wicked, Mama. That I promise you.
Nonya won't Biko, stay with me. Biko. Nonya, please. No. Nonya, you have left me again. Hey.
My pride, oh my child, oh my pride. My pride, oh my child, oh my pride. There will be no peace for the wicked.
It felt so real. I saw her. I spoke with my daughter. Chinonye, rest in peace, my child. Rest in peace. Whoever did this to you will never find peace. Just as you promised me.
My son, I've gone through the marriage list from Oge's family. Very considerate. Look at the thing is not, the items are not too much. Besides, we still have 2 months to get them. At least small, we'll be getting them.
Mama, don't worry. I saved a lot. And as for all this list, I think I can handle it.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey! Now, you really want to settle down. And I know you love Oge so much.
I love her.
And as for the yams, on me, I've already made an arrangement with my friend to supply me all the yams we'll be needing for the marriage ceremony.
Hey, Mama.
Do you understand?
Mama. In fact, you've been so supportive. Thank you so much. Oh, God bless you.
For what? Why are you thanking me? I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. When you're getting married, I am also getting married. You are my son. Look, I wish I had enough. I would have closed this street. The whole of this Ogabutota shut down that day.
You would have closed the street.
Hey!
Mama, that will be carnival. Not marriage again.
If there's anything more than carnival, I'll do it. They will know that one nigga, my only son, is getting married.
Abi? Mama Dalu. Thank you so much.
Hey, Biko, I left something on the fire.
Ah.
I'm coming.
Okay,
Don't
Mama.
want to get home.
Okay, Mama.
Hey! You again?
So, you are preparing to marry Oge. That list you are writing is for me, not for her.
You will marry me, even in death.
You're dead. Chinoye, you're dead.
And who killed me? You did. You killed me. You will marry me, even in death.
What are you saying?
Add more things to that list. It's too cheap. 3 cows, 10 goats, 20 gallons of palm wine.
No, now. What are you saying now? Please, don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
Do as I have said. Or next time I will not spare you.
3 cows. 10 goats.
20 gallons of palm wine.
Yes. 20 gallons of palm wine.
Obinna.
Mama.
Who are you talking to? You know you
Mama, I was just talking to myself.
Since when did you start talking to yourself, Bonyala?
Mama, you know this marriage of a thing, I need to...
By the way, what is this? Why are you writing all this? 3 cows, 10 goats, 20 gallons of palm wine. Bia, Obinna Ogini. Why are you adding all these things?
Mama, it's nothing. It's nothing. I just... Oh no, it's nothing. You will... Mama, just forget about it, please. It's nothing. So, this is rational equation. We have C6 here equals to 36. Now, when you divide both sides by x, so what do you... Jesus!
Sir, is everything okay, sir?
Please, put your hands down.
Why? Am I not your best date again?
Please, not here.
So you ask the question.
I'll do something you will not like. Ask me.
Yes.
Sir, any problem?
What is the answer?
The answer is x equals to 6.
Yes, you're right.
I'm Chika. Please, have you seen Mr. Obinna?
Mr. Obinna, I saw him walking down the road not too long ago.
Walking down the road?
Yes, ma'am.
But we're meant to live together.
Maybe he remembered something.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I'll just run after him.
Oh yeah, hold me.
Huh?
I said hold me!
Aha. Why is Sam walking like that?
Ah, he's holding L. Ah, yeah.
Obi! Don't mind.
Why is he hanging his hand like that?
Obina! Don't answer her.
Please, let me just talk to her.
If you talk to her, I'll do something you will never forget. Now, walk faster.
What's wrong? Obina!
Run!
Obina! Obi! Obi, wait for me! Obina!
My beautiful sister, you're back already. Why are you sitting outside? What is it? What happened to you? You look worried. Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
What happened?
It's Obina. I really don't understand him anymore. He's been acting funny. For instance, this morning, he left for school without even waiting for me. You know we usually go to school together every morning.
Yeah.
But he left without waiting for me. I thought maybe he was in a hurry due to lateness, right? But now the school has closed. He couldn't even wait for me as well. He left. I saw him, I was calling on him. He kept running as if something was chasing him. I don't understand him. I don't know what's going on with him. Is he avoiding? I don't know.
It's okay. It's alright, okay? I know how you feel. I know you feel. I know how it feels to be in love. But you know, man, we have a lot of things on our head. So maybe you're just trying to put one or two together. So you don't need to worry. Don't worry yourself too much. It's fine. It's okay.
You want to understand. He's bothering me. He's not acting his normal self.
Okay, let's do it this way. Maybe he's stressed. You know, you guys are planning for your marriage. A lot of things, a lot of responsibility like list, family expectation. He needs to get it right, you know. So probably just stressed. Okay, say, go to his house later in the day. Talk to him calmly. Just rub him and talk to him. Maybe he needs someone to listen. At least he will tell you what is bothering him. But for now, my beautiful sister, you're welcome. So go inside, rest. So I made something for you. So just go and eat, freshen up, and think how you can go and see him later.
Motivational speaker.
Never get, go inside. It's okay. I know you are in love. Okay, baby.
What did you even?
Just go, open the pot, you see something.
Enjoy yourself. See you. When I follow you talk that time, you want to do shakara for me. Don't be this one, so. Anyways, thank you for coming around. Thank you.
Nonso. You should be mourning your late sister, not sit in a bar with a woman.
See, people mourn differently. So allow me to enjoy myself. Or do you want me to stay at home, cry and cry myself out? No! I just want to keep my head straight. Enjoy yourself.
Just be careful. You know that people are watching. Just be careful. You know how they talk in this our community.
You want to listen to what people say? No. Wahala not dey finish. Enjoy yourself.
You are correct.
Okay, people. Now reason what people they talk. You reason what people they talk. You don't feel move front. So what happened? I'm seeing your hand coming close to this place.
Your own is very sweet.
So your own is no longer sweet. No, my own is sweeter than your own. I can see your hand coming close to this place.
Very sweet.
Enjoy yourself.
No, so.
The most beautiful sister in the world. How are you?
I'm fine.
I know you are fine. I can see peace has finally returned back to your face. Now, just to me, what happened?
I went to see Obina like you advised.
Okay.
And we squashed the issue. I came to realize that you were right. I mean, he was just being overwhelmed with the whole wedding planning and all.
You see why I said you should not jump into a conclusion. Sometimes you have to confirm things before you assume.
Yes, brother.
Now you are smiling now.
Now I know.
Alright, that's how relationship work. Little misunderstanding and little correction.
Yes, brother.
And now I think you both should focus on your wedding plan. It's not far again.
Yes, so just a few weeks from now. But not to worry, plans are going on. Mama said she's doing the listing. Okay. Obina is playing his own part. You know, all hands are on deck.
Bam. Alright, see what I'll just tell you, my dear. Keep communicating, okay? Please, do not lose this smile again. You know you have the most beautiful smile in the world.
Aww.
My sister, Oma
Nnanna.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank
though.
you. Where are you going to?
I actually want to go and get some foil. There is no water in the tank again.
Oh,
I was just looking for the cover before I saw that smile coming.
Let me help you look for it.
No,
now.
don't worry. Just go in, prepare something. I saw the others out.
Okay. Okay.
Prepare something. Yeah?
Be fast, oh.
I'm coming.
Now, jeez.
Hey! Allow me to rest now.
So you are here eating, while your pregnant wife has not eaten.
You're hungry. Please, Nachinoye, please. Ghost, don't eat now. Ghost, don't eat.
I've told you I'm hungry. I want to eat pounded fufu and egusi soup.
I don't understand. Is it that they don't give you enough food in the other side of the world? Why are you coming to disturb me to cook now? I've never heard that Ghost used to eat. Moreover, I don't know how to pound fufu.
I don't care how you do it. If you like, call your mother to prepare it. All I know is that in the next 2 hours, I want to eat pounded fufu and egusi soup.
Oh, now. Now,
Go and get it for me! Go!
Why didn't you finish your food?
No, Mama, I'm not really hungry. Like I am. Mama, please, I need you to go to the market, please.
Market? For what?
She wants to eat egusi soup.
She? Only with she?
She?
You say she?
Did I really? No, I mean me. Me, I want to eat egusi soup. I realize it's good for me. So please, Mama, kindly go to the market and get me egusi soup to eat.
Obinna, You've always told me you don't like egusi soup, that it gives you pimple. Even fufu, akpo, you tell me it smells. So what happened?
Hey, Mama, maybe you've not noticed, I have changed. I realized it gives me strength. It's good for my body. Yes, please, kindly go to the market and get me those things. Fufu, okay, we have fufu, egusi soup, please.
This is your sudden change. Anyway, I'm not going anywhere because in Kem Garagazu will make care. I'm not going to any market.
Mama, please now, I beg you. Please, whatever it will cost, just tell me. I will refund you. I'm very hungry. That's why I couldn't finish the rice you brought to me in the first place. Please, Biko.
Okay, let me go and change.
Mba. Mama, there's no need for it. You are very fine like this. Please, just hurry to the market, buy all the things I need. Please, my lungs, I don't know what is going on with my stomach. Don't worry. Just go. Please, Biko, make sure you don't spend more than 30 minutes in the market.
In a new order.
No, Mama.
I thought you are appealing. You are appealing to me. In a new order on top of it.
I'm still begging. Please, you know I like the way you cook egusi soup. That's why.
But can I at least go and get my purse?
Purse?
Won't I use money to buy the things you requested for?
Yes, you will.
Because I got a house spam door. Yeah.
Okay, Mama, don't waste time. Let me go and... Mama!
Don't worry, when you fully become mine, this is how you are going to be enjoying
Don't change, Joe.
every day. After that palm wine, this region is making me happy. It will not be a bad idea if you look for a very small hotel where we are going to, download all the downloading. You're going to upload. What do you think?
No,
You are a bad girl.
No, so no, they get patience. See.
Patient.
I do with my period.
Hey! Again? What?
Hold me before I go for.
Why will your period want to stop this enjoyment? If this thing cannot allow me to swim, can I just console my soul? You don't want me to even console my soul?
See, no, so I want to ask you for something.
Anything for my cheesy. Go on and ask me. If you want me to lay down my life for you, I will just lay down my life for you. Yes.
I want you to give me money. Let me buy pad.
Money? Simple. Pad is cheap. Pad is cheap. I think pad is 1,000 naira or 500 naira. How much?
I used to have heavy flow, so I used to use 3 pad.
That means heavy flow, heavy cash. 1,
5,000.
2. How much is this? That's 5,000, right?
No.
Yes.
It's not complete.
Add this one to it. That is 5,000. Yes.
No, sir. Please, I don't know if you can add small thing. You know my mother is not feeling fine. Let me buy drugs.
My in-law is not feeling fine. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5,000 for my in-law. Yes. Then transport for my in-law. Go and buy drugs.
I don't know if you can add transport. You know my condition. I don't want to trek.
You want to enter bike? Hold on. What am I even counting? If I take that one, let me use this out to hold my conscience.
No, you don't need it.
I don't need it. See, when this thing dried off, eh? Remember me, your kingdom. What do you think?
Yes.
Let me go and put you. You want to enter keke or bike?
But keke is expensive, or bike, so that I will not
Are
finish
you
all
not
the money.
expensive? You are expensive. Calm down. I'm steady. I'm steady.
Okay.
Obinna. See your egusi and akpu. Biko. Dear Monte, make sure you finish this food. Oh. I am not hungry. I don't want to eat. And you know we don't have any dog in this house that will eat your leftover.
Mama, I was the one that asked you to prepare it in the first place. I'm very hungry. Don't worry, I'll finish it. Oh?
Let me hurry and go and finish up what I was doing.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Now, wow. Huh? My entire life, I've never seen a ghost demand for fufu and egusi. I don't know, do ghosts eat at all? I don't understand. Madam Ghost! Chinoye! Your food is ready.
Is that how you're supposed to call me? Can't you be more romantic? Why can't you call me pet name?
Please, I don't want your troubles today, please.
Talk to me, please. Call me pet name.
Okay. Sweetheart. Darling. My darling. Your food is ready. It's ready, see.
I don't like this smell. There is crayfish in it.
Yes, now there's crayfish inside to make it more sweet. I even added mangala, meat, oroko. It was nicely made.
I don't like the smell. Maybe I'll eat something else.
Now, what is all this one now? Is this how you trouble those at the other side of the world? What kind of thing is this now? Do you know what it took me to prepare this for you? Do you know how I managed to convince my mother before she prepared this? Ghost, please now. In fact, I'm not doing it again. What is all this one?
My leg is hurting me. Massage them for me.
You say?
Bring your leg close.
Hey, no now, your legs are so cold. What is all this? Ghosts on the local cramps. Do ghosts also have cramps? See, I'm not doing it again. Please, it's better for me to confess. I will confess. I will confess.
Confess to who?
Anyone that cares to listen.
Do you think I'll let you do that?
Okay.
I'm not done with you yet.
Okay. Watch me now. Watch me. No, watch me. Watch me confess. Okay. Mama, you came here right on time. Please, I will confess.
Obinna, why are you mouthing? What are you saying? Speak out, we can't hear you.
Don't tell me you can't hear me.
Wait, what have you done to me? No, what have you done to me now?
Nobody can hear you.
You mean they can't hear me?
Yes.
You lie.
You lie. Mama, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. behaving like a mad person.
Speak out, I'm not hearing you.
Talk now. Why you?
Talk, I'm not hearing you.
I don't understand. Are you now dumb?
Are you sure my son is okay?
Hey, I'm finished. I'm finished though. What have you done to me? What have you done to me?
Are you sure it's not malaria? Let's take him to the hospital.
There's nothing wrong with him. He's the one that requested for this akpu and egusi soup. Unlike him, said he wants to eat akpu and egusi soup. Well, I had to rush to the market, prepare the food, presented it to him. The next thing he started behaving strange.
Obina, speak out. We can't hear you. Open your mouth and talk. You're mouthing. Talk.
Hey! What have you done to me now? What have you done to me? Why are you making me feel like a mad person now? Stop all this, please. Stop all this. I don't.
Who are you talking to now? Who are you facing the other side?
Hey! 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 Aramo! Mama! You can't hear me. Hey! Hey!
Are you sure we'll not chain him?
I am not mad.
No, sorry. Let me call somebody to help me.
I feel like squeezing you now. What is all this one?
There will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. There will be no peace for the wicked. Yeah. There will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked.
Okay.
Brother.
What's going on? You look worried.
Brother, it's Obin now.
Obina, what is it?
I don't understand him anymore. He's behaving strange.
How?
His mother called me that I should come to their house, that she doesn't understand Obina. I got there. I found him acting like a madman. He was just busy mouthing. We couldn't even hear his voice.
You mean to say you didn't hear one word?
I couldn't hear any word. He was just demonstrating. Sometimes he would turn as if he's talking to somebody. He would be doing like mouthing, miming. I don't even understand. I asked his mother what happened. She said he asked for egusi soup with pounded fufu. Something he doesn't even like to eat on a normal day.
Okay.
She was surprised, yet she prepared the food for him. Only to serve the food, he left the food there and was just demonstrating.
So what happened to the food?
Which one is what happened to the food? I said he left the food there. He didn't even touch the food. He was just there. His mouth was just moving, demonstrating. Is that not madness?
Very strange. Has he been behaving like this before?
No.
And is there any sign of madness? Like madness in their family?
Of course not. Nothing like madness.
Then this is not ordinary. This is not ordinary. If he's not sick, then he must be spiritual.
Spiritual.
I'm telling you. And listen, I don't want you to go there alone again, okay? For now, just stay back. Don't go. If you must go, I'll go with you. Are you getting it? So just chill. Don't worry. Let me pay this for you. Probably maybe before nightfall, we'll know what is happening. Eh? But for now, just stay in your father's house. Calm down now. Why, Oma?
How will I be calm? This is my husband we're talking about.
I know. He will be fine. Maybe before the nightfall, we'll know what is really happening.
I keep seeing our daughter. She keeps talking to me. But she has refused to tell me who killed her. All she told me was that there will never be peace for the wicked. And it is true. I follow what my daughter has told you. There will never be peace for the wicked.
Anybody who has done this wicked act to our daughter, that person will know no peace. Any group of persons that are responsible for this, they will never find peace. Their lives will be destroyed.
Amen.
I'm the one who's saying this. To take away my own heart, my own daughter. Anyway, as things are now, I think, I presume it will be better that we return some of the money we borrowed from our friend.
Yes, I think you should do it now. It's better.
I should do it now?
Yes, it's better.
Okay, in that case, just hold on. Let me go into the house and get the money.
Okay.
I'm coming, eh?
Okay.
There will be no peace for the wicked. There will be no peace for the wicked.
What is it?
300,000 naira is missing from this bag. How? See it now, see it. 300,000 naira is missing from this bag. It's missing. It's missing from this bag.
You sure?
You're asking me if I'm sure. See it now. Is this not money? 300,000 naira is missing from this money.
Who could have done a thing like this at this time of our lives?
You're asking me. Who else other than your son? Look at it. 300,000 naira is missing from this money. Eh?
No, sir, couldn't have done this. He knows what we are into now.
Oh, he knows what we are into. That useless boy. That boy who has no respect. He wants to steal me dry. That boy who can steal me to the state of being blind. That's your son. Ha! Nonso. Nonso. So you want to do this to me? You want to kill me? You want to frustrate me?
No, Biko.
It's okay.
No matter what, he is still our child.
He's your child. I forbid him. I forbid him. My 300,000 naira is missing. 300,000 naira is missing. Hey, it's missing. It's missing. What do we do now? It's missing. Look at it. It's missing. It's not here.
Can I recount?
Check it. 300,000 naira is missing. 300,000 naira is missing. So I'm now telling you a lie. No, I'm now telling you a lie.
No, you're not lying.
Eh? Hi!
Nonso. Still count.
Nonso, you are not even my child. You are not my child.
How?
I forbid you. Don't worry. You will come back to this house and meet me. You will come back to this house and meet me. Look at it now. Just look at it. Yeah, okay, come here.
Mama.
Come here, back away.
You are still awake.
I was waiting for you. Where's the money?
Eh?
Are you stupid? Where's your father's money you took from his bag?
What money again? I did not steal any money.
What do you mean you did not steal any money? If you did not, who did?
I surrender. I surrender. Mama, that is my money.
Is this not money?
Mama, no need of counting it. It's 20,000 naira.
20,000?
Mm-hmm.
Out of the 300,000 you stole from your father. Where is the 280,000 naira?
Mama, I've spent it all.
What?
Yes. Are you not the same person that said I should be responsible? I spent that money on the girl I want to get married to.
My goodness.
Yes.
That's the height of irresponsibility.
Eh?
Hold on, oh. You spent 280,000 naira on a girl in one day.
Ma'am.
Ibonyala. You're mad. Eh? How can you marry without a job? Without being responsible? Eh?
I can still
You can say do what? No, so waste my money. 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 No, you got to give me my money. Give me my money. Nah, because...
Hey! Papa, you know you are old.
My waist.
I'm just respecting you. Say, I dey look every day. No be say I don't know what I go do. No, I say I'm not there responsible. I dey try to responsible now. No, not worrying me. Hey, I only do 300,000. I'm trying now. Even my mates, they are still there doing Dorime. So I'm spending 500,000. I just managed to spend 300,000.
Ah, my waist. Eh? You see why I said you shouldn't be fighting. You're old now. Eh? My waist. You need to go to get up. Okay. Ndo. Sorry. Hey. Sorry. Get up. Hey. Come on, sit. That boy will not kill you.
Sir, we came to report something about Mr. Obinna. Yes, sir.
Mr. Obinna? Yes. What about him?
Sir, the way Mr. Obinna is behaving these days, we don't understand. He's acting strange, totally strange.
What is going on with Mr. Obinna? Like how?
Yes, sir. Sometimes during his class, he will be talking to someone we can't see, and at times he will look one corner of the classroom, he will nod, he will smile, and when we look there, we won't see anybody. We are scared, sir.
That is strange.
Yes, sir. And when we ask him questions, he won't even respond to us. He just keeps acting like he's saying something else.
Sir, with all due respect, the whole class is scared. We don't want to see Mr. Obinna in our class again until we find out what is going on with him.
This is serious. Mr. Obinna talking to somebody that no one else can see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We checked everywhere, there's no one there.
Okay. Thank you very much for your courage to bring this matter before me.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
I want to assure you that I'm going to handle it. Don't be scared, okay? Go back to your class, focus on your study.
Yes, sir.
I will handle the matter personally and make sure it's resolved. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Miller, I invited you here because of some report I've been receiving about you, both from the students and the staff. They say you have been behaving strange. That when you are in class, sometimes you will be looking at a particular direction, talking and reacting as if you are seeing somebody no other person is seeing.
Sir, I am shocked at this because there is nothing wrong with me. Yes, probably, recently I went through a lot of stress and it's not what they are all thinking.
Well, stress or not, this is a school and I cannot ignore such a report. So, we have decided that this is a letter for you. And it's a letter for 2 weeks compulsory leave. You have to stay out of work and sort out whatever is it that you're dealing with.
Oh, sir, please. This is not necessary. I am fine. There's nothing wrong with me.
Mr. Danga, this is not a punishment. This is an opportunity for you to sort out whatever it is. Okay? Let me also inform you that the management also decided that this is what is best for you. And your name has also been removed from the names of those shortlisted for the position of vice principal.
Hey! Sir, please. I am fine, like I said. There is absolutely nothing wrong with me. Nothing.
Hey, Mr. B, there's no hard feelings. Go home. Rest. Okay? Put yourself together. When you are okay, come back and we'll talk.
Teacher Oge, I heard that your husband-to-be has started behaving like a madman, talking to himself and scaring students away. Is that true?
Cheesy, mind your business and stop spreading false information.
Me? Spreading false information?
Yes!
But you and I know that what I'm saying is actually true. The news is everywhere. I even heard that they suspended him and removed his name from the principal's list. Yeah, what a pity.
Cheesy, you're so mean, wicked and heartless. This is what you've always wanted, right? But let me tell you, your plans will fail, trust me. They will fail.
Abego, don't shoot me because of a man. I have a class.
Sir, please. I am here to plead on behalf of Mr. Obinna. I know you're doing your job, but sir, he doesn't deserve this suspension, please.
Miss Obi, I understand how you feel. But this is not about sentiment. This is a school. When a teacher begins to behave in a strange way, the student gets worried. Also the staff. And as the principal of the school, I cannot overlook that.
But sir...
See, as I explained to Mr. Obinna, this is not a punishment. Let him take the leave. Let him go home and take a rest. Sort out whatever problem he's having. Then he can come back. Then we'll talk. Okay? For now, there's nothing I can do. That is the best decision, and the decision stands. Thank you.
My baby.
No, hey, please, don't hug me. What's that? Please, I'm not here for you. I want to go and see your father. I hope he's at home.
When me and you come begin the quarrel like this now, I don't understand. We first get problem. How do you back?
Nonso, please get out of my way. I'm going to see your father.
As people they pass me, they use this city. Why you they pass me? Oh, pass me where now?
Sir. Sir, good afternoon.
Cheesy, my daughter. Good afternoon.
Sir, I was actually coming to your house.
Wait, Papa, you see...
Shut up your mouth and let her talk to me.
Sir, there's something very important that I came to share with you.
Okay.
Papa, actually, she's not the one I've been giving that money to.
Can you just shut up and let her talk? Yes, I'm hearing you.
Sir, please, it's not a gossip. Don't see it as a gossip. Okay. It's important. That's why I said I should come and tell you. It's about Obinna, your late daughter's teacher. Sir, Obinna has been behaving somehow recently. Even his classmates, they said whenever he comes to the class to teach them, that he start behaving like someone who is talking to someone invisible. That most times he stands and stares at his desk. Sir, I'm not saying anything is bad though. Sir, do you know that they even suspended him today in school? He was suspended today. So, sir, it's important. That's why I actually came to share it with you.
It's okay. I've heard what you have said. So what you are suggesting now is that Obinna is behaving strangely.
Yes, so, sir, he has been like that for a while. Sir, please, this information that I came to give you, don't mention my name, I care, that's why I came to share it with you.
It's okay.
I'm going.
So,
thank you.
No, Papa.
What could be the reason for that?
Honestly, I cannot really say. But I presume that Obinna loved my daughter Chinwe very, very well. I believe that.
You know so?
Yes, I believe that. Anyway, let's go.
Okay. Why are you in a hurry? Where are you? What is the matter?
Brother, they've suspended Obinna from school.
Suspended?
Yes. Principal suspended him.
Why? What did he do?
They said he's been acting strange. Talking as if he's talking to somebody, yet they can't see anybody. The principal found that really strange and decided to suspend him. Listen, I don't think that was intentional. I think he's going through trauma. That girl was his best student, remember? I don't know what to do.
Okay, you are right. Grief can really do strange things to persons, especially when it is sudden. It's obvious that Obinna has not recovered from Chinwe.
He hasn't recovered. That girl was his closest student.
So, what will he do now?
I don't know. I want to quickly get you something to eat. Let me fix something for you. Then I'll rush to their house to see him.
It's alright. When you are done, just let me know, okay? I'll go there with you. I think now you need support, not just me, okay? It's okay. It's okay.
I am left with nothing. I have lost my job. And very soon, the devil realized I killed her. Okay, will leave me. And I will be left with nothing. Nothing. You have done your worst! You have done your worst! Come out from hiding! Come out! Chinwe! Come out! Come out from hiding! I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of you haunting me. I'm tired. If you want me gone, take me now. Take me. Take me now if you want me gone. Take me now. Take me now. Come and take me. Come and take me, Chinwe.
You think you can run away from me? I will not let you go till I'm finished with you.
Then finish it. You want revenge? Take me then. Stop making me live like a madman. If you want to kill me, go ahead and kill me once and for all.
No, I will not. You will live to suffer.
Why are you haunting me? No, you keep haunting me everywhere. You can't keep haunting me like this. Right? If you want to kill me, just kill me. Go ahead and kill me. Right? No. This is me. Please, kill me. I want to die. I want to die. What is this? You keep haunting me from here to there. I keep running like a madman. Take me.
Obinna, who are you talking to?
Obinna, are you alright?
Obinna, yeah? Who are you talking to? What is it? Was it your voice I was hearing? Who were you talking to?
I can't. I can't hide this anymore.
What is it?
What are you saying?
I killed her.
You killed who?
You know.
Onyekiburu.
What is it? Say it.
I was the one that impregnated Chino, yeah?
What?
Yes, it was never my intention for her to die. I killed her.
Hey, Obinna. You? Obinna, you are lying, right? You are playing pranks.
It's true, Mama, please.
Hey!
Forgive me, please.
Chimo,
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Mama, please, just sit down. Sit down. Take it easy, please.
Hey.
Mama, please, just...
Obinna.
She's everywhere. She's everywhere hurting me. She's everywhere hurting me.
My pride, oh my child, oh my pride. My pride, oh my child, oh my pride. There will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. There will be no peace for the wicked.
Hello?
There will be no peace for the wicked.
What?
No peace for the wicked. There will be
Serious?
no peace for the wicked.
Are you serious?
Jesus! Nai! Where are you going with the gun? Hey! Nai! Where are you going?
Papa!
Wicked man! Very wicked! Wicked Nigerian! Wicked like black men! You will die here!
Where is that devil? You are the one who destroyed the life of my daughter. You!
Ikemba, please, for the sake of an old widow like me, please. Oh, soldier, please, no more death, Biko.
Leave me alone!
Ikemba, Biko, Zienu. Ikemba, Biko, Biko, Nam, Biko.
Ikemba, please. Biko. I never knew it to be like this. Please. I loved your daughter. Not in the wrong way. I loved her as my student. I love her as someone I wanted to see succeed. I know the kind of pain this must have caused you. Please. A man should never know this kind of pain. I'm truly sorry. When he came back...
Ikemba, please.
If killing me will bring peace to you, please do it.
No. No.
Shoot me!
No! Hi!
Ikeba!
No! No more death, please.
I have nothing left.
Because
This one have nothing left.
Don't do it. Because no!
Shoot me.
No!
Ikeba, please, no one is dying today, please. The police are on their way already, please don't.
There will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. There will be no peace for the wicked. Yeah, 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 yeah. There will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. There will be no peace for the wicked. Yeah, 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 yeah.
My daughter. My beautiful daughter. My love. Our souls cry all through the night. But we come in peace. Obinna has been punished. He is suffering for what he did now. He has begged us for us to forgive him. And we have forgiven him. My daughter, you know that vengeance cannot bring you back to us. It's okay. Vengeance cannot bring you back to us. So, my daughter, we are asking that you just rest. Rest in peace. It's okay. Nnem. Chinonye. Nnem. We have forgiven him. Try and forgive him too. And forgive us if we ever failed you. Please.
My sister, I miss you every day. I'm sorry for all the anger. Please, rest in peace. Please, my sister.
Papa, Mama, I am at peace now. Vengeance is not for me. I have forgiven him already. Thank you for forgiving him. I love you all.
Did you feel that? Yes. I have the belief that she is here. Yes, I have that belief that she's here. Find peace. Father Lord, we commit this family into your hands. Be our guide. Lead us in all that we do. And grant the soul of our daughter to rest.
My dearest Oge, I hope this letter finds you in good health and happiness by God's mercy. I will be coming home in 2 months. The governor granted me a pardon for good conduct and community service while in prison. I cannot lie. Prison was dark. Very, very dark. But the memories I have with you is one memory I cannot forget in a hurry. Your memory was my light since my mother passed. I've had no one left but you. You are everything I have, everything I ever wanted. If your heart still feels the way it did that day before all this pain began, please wait for me. I still love you, okay? I will always do.
What is love that I ask? What is love that I want? I have come to realize, ooh, because of you, so many things have changed, but so many reasons. Even when I don't know, even when you don't look at me, you're the one for me. Oh, you're the air I breathe. If you don't know, you're the one for me. Oh, you're the air I breathe. Here will go more, will be more. My heart just did to me, tinny winnie winnie.